I hope you guys are enjoying your... Now, I just wish I had better socks. Like, don't come for me. Their home anniversary, so I can send them a card and let them know that I'm thinking of them. Hey guys, so I'm just here packing giveaways. Each bag has a little something something, so you guys can see that. And I have a lot of stuff, like a lot of giveaways in here, some in here, and I'm hoping to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably like 20 giveaways. I have some of these in here, and then I have some more packing cubes in my office. So that's pretty much it. The first giveaway, I'm not even sure when I'm going to do the first one. They're going to be all ready to go, but I just have to decide. So that's pretty much what I'm focusing on right now. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And got a lot of great things coming soon with like collabs and stuff like that with people. I'm not coming on camera because I'm like kind of out of it and not dressed fully, but yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so just follow me. Most of the giveaways are going to be on Instagram, but if you follow my IG, which I'll link in the comments section down below or in my description box, I also put it probably down here somewhere too. Like, you can also follow me on YouTube. I'm looking for my most popular followers, people who interact a lot, and I will pick them randomly. Alright, and then you'll have 24 hours to get back to me with all of your mailing information. It's open internationally, and yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys like and subscribe. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it's Mel here. So I wanted to show you guys exactly what I did. I was starting to decorate for the holidays. Okay, so I started with our living room and basically got some decorative pillows that say, this one says Mary. I had this from last year already, so I went with, well, I kind of went with like the red flannel theme. I love flannel. It says reindeer games on it. And then over here, this one was a reindeer from last year, so we decided to keep it even though it's teal. Added some red pillows with this brown throw. What I did in the living room so far. The next thing I want to do is change out these. I have this one and that one. Stockings. And so this one's Michael's. His is always the Spider-Man. And then mine is over here. I don't have a fireplace, so I hung them up on our bookcase. And then in our kitchen, not too much so far that I've done. I haven't done too much in the kitchen so far. Like, I hung these. I added our Noel, some faux boxes here, and I got some more stuff I want to put here. And then I also have these little snowmen all over the place. These little snowmen. Like, you know, we are not rich, so don't come for me. But we did do something on the table. This is what it looks like so far. I do want to get some nice glasses. These are a faux bouquet that I made. I really like that. And I got all of these from the dollar store. When they went on sale, they were like 50 cents. And then these, I'm going to get some gold charger plates. And, oh, I forgot to mention. Good morning, y'all. So I just got a message that my Fashion Nova package finally came today, so I'm about to go check to see if it's here. Yes, finally. I ordered this I think I ordered this on Black Friday actually. And it just came. So that's good. And this is what my living room is looking like right now. I need to clean it up. There's some Christmas goods back there. But yeah, so those are the colors. cat thing is right here. But, oh my goodness, it finally came. So I'm about to go. I'll probably open this up on camera, but my camera is dying, so I'll. Ooh, yes. Oh, this is thin. Okay. Got this one. This one. This is really thin. Oh, this is that striped dress. Material that is, and then this mauve dress. So yeah, so those are the items. I'm going to try to do a maybe a try on haul of these. It's like 12 pieces, I think, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.